balustrading installation. We start from the outer corners, fix one on one end, the other one on the other end, ping a line between them, and then we start with installation of all others in that line on our level pads, and we can do fine adjustments of the height or lean with these lugs on the base. It's very important to, once the pilot hole is drilled, we put some sealant around it before we place the post down. You can see a generous blobs of silicone sealant on there. Now we're going to put the post onto it. Once the post is fixed down, our stainless steel bolts and washers, use the level to adjust the post. That one doesn't need adjustment this way, but you can see this way here it needs to be brought back towards the balcony. So I'm going to release this bolt a little bit and tension these two legs simultaneously to bring it towards me. So let's release the bolt. It's just to release a little bit so we don't have tension. You can see the washer is loose underneath, so that's released. Check the level. Yeah, needs to be more. So now, screwing these lugs down, that will push that side of the post upwards. Usually doesn't need much. Oops, needs a little bit more. So let's release a little bit more. Alright, that's a bit too much. I can return this one. A little bit more. I can go with tensioning of this bolt now, because that bolt is still loose. Perfect that way, and still good this way. Just on the left hand side. Yep. By tapping on a line, we can see that it's just bouncing off on that line. Now I'm going to proceed to the next post, and so on. put some Loctite or similar, little bit over the joint. Then handrail can be slid on. I mean, you can see that where it's been leveled nice, it will just come in and marry nicely. Little turn. We will later on drill and tap little grub screws underneath. Now we've got to do this joint here. Again, I applied the Loctite on the lower bit, insert it there, and insert on the end of the handrail. Right, I'll try to do this with one hand. Right. So that's we need a grub screw down there. Bit of dirt. Grub screws in this joint here. And another one on this joint here. That's one handrail. Nice and straight, all lined up. Plumbed up off the base, and base run nice and straight with a line. I'll have to drill and tap little screws as well from into the handrail, from the post into the handrail, on every single one of them. Right, this is next morning. We spent afternoon yesterday on fitting this section of railing. We still got 10 posts to do. Rest of the handrail and all the glass. It's going to be a busy day today. This side is all fixed and secured. Handrail is fixed. All the joints actually we drilled through and tapped in little grub screws as well. Don't rely just on adhesive. You can see a little grub screws there. It's all stainless steel M5 grub screws, just to keep it all secured, because we are on the seafront and you do get very strong winds here, so more fixings better.